Jolly face it wrinkled, and then he shut his eyes. He opened his great mouth, it was a wondrous sight. He said, I must arrest you, he didn't know what for. And then he started laughing until he grabbed his straw.
Okay, I'm Carolyn Riddle-Carr. I'm the local councillor.
By force and search and seize any documentation relating to the business of the club and take the names and addresses of any persons found in the premises. All in terms of Licence in Scotland Act 1976, section 114.
This is a walk to read.
It's a walk.
Yes, a walk to read. That's what you're doing.
It's a walk.
You're reading the premises.
Coming in.
No, I'm asking you, are you reading the premises?
Coming in.
Yes, I know that, but I'm saying, are you reading the
Coming
premises?
in to make sure.
I think community radio is a very powerful idea. It's a very powerful political idea because I think it brings the whole political process much more close to the electorate. And one of the things that we're all struggling with in the political professional world is alienation of voters and trying to increase turnout, particularly amongst young people. I think that this is a mechanism that makes politics a lot more local and a lot more direct, and it's a very, very powerful medium which I think needs to be developed for the future.
I'm Carolyn Riddle-Carr. I'm the local councillor.
More footing. Those who can are fleeing the capital, Baghdad.
I pray thee I will preserve and protect I and I from all evil. I pray thee I will preserve and protect I and I's family soul. I pray thee I will preserve and protect I and thy family going out and coming in from this day forth and forevermore through thy mercy and thy loving kindness. For art the one and only, second to none, superior to many, inferior to none. Let all that have life, let all that have being, let all that have existence and subsistence arise in glory and praise unto thee. For art the original source of being, of existence, of life, pure consciousness.
All day today, Shabab TV has been running an ad advising people to buy emergency equipment. You can even get a shelter, which comes in different sizes, which they claim will protect your family against nuclear, chemical and biological weapons. Just call this number.
Oh, yeah. I'd rather light a candle than to curse your darkness. I haven't come to judge, but I am a witness. Desperate souls praying for salvation, but in the heart of darkness there's no compassion. Confined to a prison that has no bars, an environment like winter for the summer so far. Exploring a hunger to belong, many are weak, few are strong. Show some mercy, mercy, mercy me. International rescue, rescue the hungry, sick, the nourished. International rescue, rescue the naked, shelter. International rescue, rescue the protected, scared for. International rescue, Mayday. I'm sending out an SOS. I'm sending out an SOS.
Marshall BT.
River Man versus Scotland.
It's a perfect first aid.
1st of September. Be there.
This is Jim Telfer, National Coaching Director and Director of Rugby for the Scottish Rugby Union on Satellite Radio Rugby. Welcome and hello to our official sponsors around the world. This is a private broadcast test from the world's first ISDN APT station, live from Murrayfield, Scotland. Scottish Rugby, leading the way in coaching and rugby music entertainment with ISDN. This is a private broadcast test. End of report.
is the right answer.
Yes, I was going to say it's something that David could have appeared in. You have in fact recorded it. What was it called?
I feel liberal all right. It was in 1977, in the middle of the night in New York. You can help me to change the face of British politics. Let's pull our country together instead of tearing it apart.
Is the right answer.
I'm Ian Hogarth, the Emergency Planning Officer for Scottish Borders Council, and obviously we're interested in communicating with the public during an emergency and see this as having great potential in that, because it's often very local information that you want to get out to people, and as well as other things it does present to the community for the young people, great opportunities there, and I wish you every success with it.
Right, hello, I'm Jim Gill, I'm Assistant Emergency Planning Officer, and I'll just reiterate the ones that Ian said there and wish you all the success for the future.
Very intriguing. I look forward to studying the disc which I've been lent or even given. And I shall also report back to my colleagues at Scottish Borders Council headquarters.
Hi Jesse, Norman Pender, Scottish Borders Council. Wonderful presentation, thoroughly enjoyed it, very innovative, and I wish it every success.